1.
Hold my beer. Watch this. Hey guys, man, it's your host Worldwide Crumb. Today's a beautiful day out here in the city. I have my loved ones with me, all of my sister-in-laws and my niece, obviously the guy, version 2.0. And today, normally, it's just me by myself, but certain circumstances dictate the love and everything, and so they came and hang out with me. Now they hanging out with y'all, and this is what we're gonna do. So today, y'all, we ain't gonna do nothing fancy, nothing schmancy. We're gonna do us a good old backyard barbecue. All right, we're gonna do some chicken, some hamburgers, and some goddamn hot dogs, and that's what we doing. All right, all right. So thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. I'm letting them get out the smoke. I don't want to fog them out because y'all know I'm capable of doing it. And then once we gonna come back out, I'm gonna let all of these beautiful ladies individually, say what's important to them, what they like, what they got going on. Cause I'm happy. I can't believe it, y'all. All right, I'm a very happy man today. All right. So it's Worldwide Crumb. Let's do it. All right. Let's go.
All right.
All right, so I had to let my sister-in-laws and my nieces and even 2.0 get out of the smoke. It's overcast here in Florida today, but regardless of the situation, no matter what you're going through, trust me, it is a good day. It's a beautiful day, cause you are here and you're amongst us. All right, y'all know I'm about that. So we doing something. Like I said, very simple. We're gonna do a bunch of chicken wings, washed, seasoned, already prepared to go. I'm up to temp. Okay, I'm rolling right 265 there, about 275. Guys, pop open your smoker, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna go on the top shelf. Top shelf today. All right, again, the burgers gonna come a little bit later, and also make sure. All right, so guys, with anything in life, you gotta roll with the punches, roll with the show. It is very, very, very windy, so I would advise you under these conditions to hold your hood up so it doesn't flop back down on you. But guess what? Worldwide Crumb, we're gonna make it happen. Take the rest of your wings. Again, they're already seasoned up, ready to go. Super indirect. Okay? And then you don't want to take your wings, guys, and just throw them all in a pile right on top of each other, because they will never cook fully. You know what I'm saying? The ones at the bottom may, but all in all, it's just not a good result. So I don't want to send you guys on a goose hunt for failure. Crumb will never do that to you, all right? So keep doing it. I'm not gonna bore you guys. Because basically at this point you should get the point. We'll come back and check them out in 15 minutes. I'm gonna bring one of my sister-in-laws out, then my other sister-in-law out, then my other sister-in-law, and then about an hour we should be ready to go. Don't forget that we do have the burgers to go and the hot dogs to go, but those are relatively light, easy. Anyone can do those. Like, comment, subscribe. Real world events. This is how it happens. All right, thumbs up. Let's go. So we back, guys. I'm back with one of my favorite people in the entire world. You know what I'm saying? This is Miss Herring right here. So out of bad can always come good. So she's always doing something for good, so I want her to explain to you the good she's doing in the world to make the world a better place. Come on, tell me, baby.
I'm Kamisha Herring from Chattanooga, Tennessee. I am the owner of Warm Heart Outreach. I give back to the community by feeding, giving toiletries, and all that good stuff. Again, I love family, I love feeding, and I love giving to the community.
Hey, and again, guys, it's Kamisha Herring. Support the cause, you know what I'm saying? I mean, that's a very recognizable name. You can find her on the socials. Tag the nonprofit. Support. Woo! Woo! Hold on, girl. Don't blow away.
Hold your beer.
Hey, hold on. You better hold on to what you got. You better hold on to what you got. I'm holding on to her. Y'all hear me? Because I ain't going to let her go nowhere. She doing good for the world. Hey.
Yes.
All right. So, Kamisha Herring, all the socials, whatever you think, the Facebook, whatever.
Facebook, Instagram.
Yep. And go to the nonprofit. Give back to the community if you can. If you can't, we get it. But if it's $1, $10,000, $100,000, or $1 million, it doesn't matter. All right, anything you can do. All right, but
Thank you. Love you.
I love you. Hold my bill. Let's go. Hey, worldwide Chrome. You know what I'm saying, guys? It's all about the family, the whole my beer family. But today I have blood family. All right. So this is my sister-in-law, and again, this is a different video, but this is what I'm doing today. So y'all know with me, it kind of be random, just kind of all over the place, and I feel good. God damn it, hold my beer. I feel good. So anyway, all the way from
Sweetwater, Tennessee.
From Tennessee. Tennessee.
Yeah. Yes, I'm raised in the country. I'm country.
Hey guys, hey, I'm from Anthony, Florida. You know what I'm saying? I eat freshwater fish. All y'all want that snapper and grouper and this, that, and the third.
Yes.
I want bluegill and panfish. All right, so guess what?
Look, and we have crappie.
And crappie. Hey, that's for real. For real. Hey, I'm country boy, big city hustle. You know what I'm saying? My sister-in-law like that too. She keeps me grounded, literally grounded. So small. Hey, y'all pray for me, man. All right, man. Y'all pray for me. Y'all know I'm a fool. All right. So anyway, all right, we got the chicken going on. You hold right there.
Yep.
You stay right there. We hey, we gotta get back to the premise of the video now. We got some wings going on. Woo! Woo!
That.
Woo! All right. So now, guys, now the wings. Come here. Help me out.
Okay.
All right. Now, this is our most, for the meats we're doing today, guys, this is the most densest part we have, which is the chicken. Then we have burgers and hot dogs. Boom. The chicken is basically, I'm going to say 45, 50% done. I'm going to move them further to offset. All right.
Okay.
Then the burgers will go here. The hot dogs will go there.
Okay.
I don't give a damn. I'm still going to eat this. And that's how you do it, all right? If you have family over, it's going on, it's going down, you know. That's what we're
Look
going
at that. Look at them juices.
Yeah. And just wait. Hold. You get too much dip on your chip. Too much dip on your, just wait. You know what I'm saying?
Ooh, look at that. Look at that.
We're going to do what we do.
Golden brown.
So, guys, like, comment, subscribe, hit it. You know what I'm saying? It's always a lot of moving parts over here at the Hold My Beer channel. But today I feel good. I felt horrible the last few days, guys. I must admit it. But today I feel good. All right. So we'll see y'all here shortly. Show you how you do your burgers. You get your grill marks in them. Then how you do your hot dogs and do the same thing.
All right.
All right.
All
Worldwide
right.
Chrome. Let's go.
All right.
Hey, the family. I'm sorry, y'all. And hey, guys. I know all of my sister-in-laws are pretty, but I will knock you inside your head. I will mollywop you. All right, now back to the regular schedule program. So, I'm here with mother, sister-in-law. You know what I'm saying? She puts good energy. We try to put good energy in the world. That's what we do. So, she's gonna put her good energy to you and explain to you the good energy. Please support the good energy. All right, thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and without any further introduction, this is.
Hi, I'm Latasha Mitchell. And this is my brother-in-law. I'm glad to be here with my family today. Hold my beer, like, comment, and subscribe. I am from Atlanta, and if you're ever in Atlanta area and you need event planning, go to onsiteeventsatl.com. Again, that is onsiteeventsatl.com. And we also have on-site event sitters where we offer childcare on-site for special events, red carpet events, any conferences that may be in the area. So look us up. And again, thanks for having me here.
No worries, anytime. But you guys, if you missed it, rewind the tune, DJ. Know what I'm saying? Go there in Atlanta. A lot of y'all, my friends are up there. Please support. So now we've done that. I'm gonna bring somebody else up over here. Guess what? We straight rolling it. Come on.
Well, I don't have no business.
So out of bed
I don't have no business.
out of bed comes
Only
good,
thing
guys.
I can do is just love them. I just love holding my beer.
And I need it because y'all know I can be whatever I can be.
I love willingness to hold my beer.
You love my barbecue more than that.
Oh,
but,
yeah.
hey,
That I do.
hey,
Yeah.
hold on.
The
Matter of fact,
barbecue is awesome.
Auntie, let's check on it now. Let's see what we got going on. Woo!
Looks so good.
Woo!
Oh, we're gonna be eating good.
Woo! And wait till the burgers go on though. I'll smack you silly. I'll smack you silly.
Juicy.
I'll
Falling off.
smack you silly.
Juice.
So guys, we're gonna move them over to the side. I think they maybe need and again when you're grilling, you know, like this was a pop-up event. I guess that's the latest term to say a pop-up event with my family coming over. But this is how you do it. You put on your densest piece of meat first, then you go from there. So now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna put on the burgers. Over here, super indirect. Then I'm gonna put the hot dogs on, and everything should finish up in about 20 minutes, all right? So we also trying to show you guys this is how we do it, all right? The Hold My Beer channel, Will Ride Crumb, thumbs up, like, see you. All right, guys, so now, look at this. Look at that. Woo-hoo. Okay, look at the burgers. Look at the burgers. All right, and so now, last thing I need to do, drop these hot dogs on there. We're gonna go super direct with them. We're gonna give them 4 minutes, and that's a cool, good backyard barbecue, in my opinion. All right. So after this part, we're gonna see y'all in the house. Let's go. So guys, once you've done all of that, this is what you get. We have a happy family, family that's being fed, you know, through the bad comes good. Again, I love you guys. If it's your first time watching the show or the channel, please subscribe, thumbs up, hit the bell. If you're a returning subscriber, share it with your friends. Love you guys. We'll see you on the next one. Every Sunday, 6 p.m. That's what we're doing. Let's go. So, you tell me, is it good?
Yep.
Yep. So it's good. The guy getting home. Matter of fact, I'm gonna tell you, y'all what I know is good. When Peyton start eating with his right hand, okay? Cause he. All right, man. We'll be back, man. See y'all soon.